Hi, I'm Bone from Bone Play. Do you like Tic-Tac-Toe Pro? If you do, you're gonna love this. Tic-Tac-Toe Mini. Inspired by Kai-Fu Wang, a classic game between two players. Audience can place anywhere that they want, but after completing the game, magicians will always surprise them with what is printed behind. It's very easy to customize. You can change into any image that you want. Now this fantastic routine will fit into your palm, your card box, and even on your phone case. So, what are you waiting for? Come and experience the Tic-Tac-Toe Mini.